Hello guys and welcome back to Unless Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to unlock and equip all Prestige Master icons in Call of Duty Black Ops 6, and let's get straight into it. So basically what this is that you can have Prestige icons from previous games, and you can actually use them in Black Ops 6, which is very cool. And in order to basically access this, all you have to do is click on your profile. From profile, go down to our click profile again, I guess, and then hit Prestige Master icon. From Prestige Master Icon, you'll see all of the previous Call of Duty games. So any game, literally Advanced Warfare, Ghost, it's literally every single game, Call of Duty game. And then you'll see that it goes all the way up to, I guess, which is Prestige 10, you could say, but it just says level 1000. And yeah, this is basically how to, view all of the previous, prestiges, etc. And this is how to equip them. So you basically have to be this level in those games, I guess, and that's how you can get it. And yeah, that is it for the video. That is how to, unlock and equip all the prestige icons. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.